Anti-corruption crusader Anjali Damania has decided that all the documents for the last many decades that she has collected while fighting against the corruption that done by people like Ajit Pawar, Chhagan Bhujbal, well, all those papers she'll be destroying them all. Let's speak to Anjali Damania. Why are you taking these drastic steps?
From 2011, I started this fight against corruption. We were a part of India Against Corruption, and which is when we exposed the entire Maharashtra irrigation scam, which is hyped up to from 70,000 crores to say 1,05,000 crores. So this massive scam had huge amount of irregularities, illegalities, corruption. It reeked of corruption, and we gave all the documents to the then opposition party, because I was in India Against Corruption and I thought it was best to give it to the opposition party to raise it in the assembly. So at that point of time I had given the papers to Mr. Devendra Fadnavis, who had raised these questions in the assembly. But later on, the same person went on to become the chief minister. The moment in 2014 when he became the chief minister, he had declared that he will make an open inquiry in the irrigation scam, in Chhagan Bhujbal matter, and in one more case. But what happened after that is something that perplexes me. The same person in 2019 closed all the matters suddenly and goes on to do a swearing in ceremony at 5 o'clock in the morning. I mean, I was so damn disturbed, so damn irritated that this is not what we fought for. We gave you the papers with the faith that you will actually take the right steps against those who are corrupt. But what happened was completely a disaster. Paramveer Singh ji, who was the then DG Anti-Corruption Bureau, gave a clearance. He closed all the matters. Because he closed all the matters, my PIL in the High Court was over. So people like me feel, what's the point in fighting? And the same scamsters, I mean the same Ajit Pawar, same Tatkare and same Bhujbal, same Praful Patel, Hassan Mushrif are all now hand in glove with them. You see them, yeah, you see them in power with the same BJP who claim to have fought against them. This is absolute nonsense. So to show that we are really angry, we have to do something to show that we are damn angry. And I thought the best thing that came to my mind was there was a Santa in Maharashtra, Santa Tukaram. He had actually gone and immersed all his Abhanga in Indrayani. I thought I should take all my irrigation scam papers and actually put it in the Arabian Sea and just finish them off.
How many documents do you have, and when do you plan to do that?
3 cupboard full of documents, and I don't know when I will do that, but soon I will be announcing the date and time. And I want to do that because people need to be shaken up. People need to understand this country can only improve if the corruption stops, and not by misuse of ED and CBI by BJP. Right now what is happening, we all can clearly see. People are talking, they are calling Devendra Fadnavis a Chanakya. I mean, by what sense can he be called a Chanakya? By using ED, if I go and target some people, get them in my party, should I be called a Chanakya? No ways. I mean, and if this has to stop, people have to, there should be an awakening. The voters.
That's precisely what I wanted to know. What do you want now? Well, the fact is that the people from the NCP have actually, there's a virtual split that has happened. First in Shiv Sena and then in the NCP. And they're part of the government now. So what are you proposing?
No, it doesn't stop here. Now I'm hearing that there is a group from Congress which is also planning to get into BJP. So if the opposition is completely destroyed, there should be a credible opposition which needs to come out and rebel against the so-called superpower that BJP is trying to create. So if that has to be done, there has to be an awakening, and I'm only trying to trigger.
Thank you so much, Sophie, and all the best for your new movement that you plan to start. But that was Anjali Damania explaining as to how upsetting this entire transformation that has happened in Maharashtra and the political scenario has been for her, and is now planning to take this step a little forward in her anti-corruption crusade that she has been carrying on. With cameraman Sunil Vaidya in Mumbai, Vidya for India.